Nestled within a long rectangular plot, the residence boasts 5 bedrooms, an inviting open living room seamlessly connected to the lush garden and front yard, and communal spaces intertwined around a central void. This layout serves dual purposes, offering privacy for individual pursuits while fostering familial interaction within the home. The house provides a serene sanctuary for 4 middle-aged women and their mother, where they can cherish their time together while caring for their matriarch. Their shared desire to reconnect and create new memories amidst the comforts of home serves as a beautiful continuation of their childhood bonds. Embracing the site's natural features, a palm canal traverses nearby, enhancing the microclimate with refreshing breezes and cooling the outdoor environment during hot summer days. The design incorporates a pitched roof and a central void that extends to the attic, serving as a tranquil worship space and a buffer against the midday sun's heat. Natural ventilation channels moisture-laden winds from the canal through the residence, while hot air escapes through strategically placed roof vents, maintaining a comfortable ambiance throughout the lower floors. Situated in a low-density peri-urban neighborhood, the house is approached from both internal and external perspectives. Externally, sponge walls offer glimpses of the surrounding landscape while providing shade, airflow, and protection from harsh sunlight. Internally, a verdant central courtyard adorned with plants and a staircase forms the heart of the home, bathing the space in natural light and cooling breezes. This core area, adorned with a spacious dining table, serves as a focal point for daily gatherings and conversations, seamlessly connecting with the living, reading, and cooking areas, as well as the mother's bedroom. The tranquil setting, removed from the hustle and bustle of urban life, allows the inhabitants to savor the purity of the air, the beauty of lush greenery, and the awe-inspiring sights of a clear morning sky and star-filled nights. Reflecting a growing trend, particularly in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, many individuals are seeking refuge in spacious, nature-infused environments, embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes well-being and connection with the natural world.